Hi everyone, and especially to you that's watching this video. So I think I've accomplished much so far, and there's still so much to come. So if you like this video, please push that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share to friends, family, anyone that you know also in this dollhousing and maybe is looking for a retirement hobby, because this is my retirement hobby. So I'm enjoying every moment of this. And like in today, it's a fact of going back to a drawing board all over again. I decided to change some things here. I said I'm going to start by the dining room, but then something else came in first, because it's always like, okay, next project is this, and then I'm changing my mind on something, and then I'm starting all over again. So I'm going to change my roof, my ceiling. I'm going to change that because I do not like this bulkiness of the ceiling that's here. And I think even if you put on the lights, there is just too many lights on the roof. The whole roof is full of lights, so it's much worse on this side. And if you go to my previous videos, I will put the subscription there in top where you can see the lights. I put washers around each light here underneath, and actually I'm so sorry I did that, because that actually spoiled the whole thing. I don't like that. But I have this brainwave. I gonna put a flat ceiling on top now. I'm just gonna put one flat piece of cardboard over that is on the wall here, right around, and then I'm gonna put the lights underneath, and so I'm not going to need this space here anymore for everything, all the lights and for the battery box. In the same case, if I do that, I'm gonna make my home a little shorter, so it's not so high for each level then, and in the same, I'm gonna make my walls a little bit taller. So where my ceiling was here, now my ceiling is going to be here. So it's about 3 centimeters again. So it's going to be much better for Barbie, for instance, like in the kitchen. So now I can put the microwave, I can put a little higher, because I'm going to put it up against the roof. The reason why I'm saying that is because I've actually found this awesome LED lights at our local Chinese shop. It works with power in the first place, so that's going to be much better. No batteries anymore, and it's got adhesive strip on the back side, and it's in lights are free. So you just cut it off with a little, and it's got a little wire in between, so I can space it out more even. And I'm still going to use my fairy lights, like for my lampshades that I made in the living room and all that. But now I'm going to push the lights through the hole into the lampshade, and then I'm just going to paste it flat down, the wire flat down with masking tape. I'm just going to need to make like a box. I was thinking about on the side of the wall, on the outside of the home. We'll make a nice little neat box just to put a battery box for the fairy lights inside. So I'm going to do that. So I'm actually so excited. I can't wait to start with this new project of mine. I just got a little problem here in my living room, dining room area. I'll already take off it's somewhat just plain balsa wood I used to put it so the ceiling can stand on that. So now I'm not going to need that anymore. So I already took it off this wall here, but now don't have enough any more of this wallpaper left over to put for the strip here, the piece here, because that's obviously going to show. But that's not a problem really. I've got this sample wallpaper here. It's fairly plain. It's this little stripy pattern on it. And the color will match here in the living dining room area. So I'm just going to cut this in strips and put it here on top here to cover that piece there. And then for the seam, I'm going to use this flat bamboo stick or whatever I've got. And I think it's going to look nice and fit here in the living room. And you won't believe where I found this. I was actually thinking of an idea for my lapa for the floor. I don't like the lapa's floor is the same as the house, all the floors in the house. So I was thinking of an idea to change that. And then, ka-ching, I remembered about this carpet I actually have. It was up in my attic. I totally forgot about this carpet, but it was coming loose. The bamboo sticks were coming loose and was broken, so I was all there for a few years now. So I remembered about this. So I'm going to do my lapa floor, the whole floor, by the swimming pool area, everything I'm going to do with this bamboo stick. So then I thought, well, I can use that same sticks for against the wall here in my living room. So then that problem is solved. So I'm going to do that first. And then in the kitchen, obviously I'm going to put this cabinet now up against the roof. I'm going to paste it now against the roof. And then I'm going to take off this wood, this sticks here, so it's going to be more sturdy, not wiggly like now. So I'm going to put that up against the wall. And I was thinking of moving this cabinet because I'm going to have more space here now about the kitchen. So I was thinking of moving this cabinet over the zinc. So there's going to be more space on the fridge to put, like your toaster or whatever stuff on the fridge. And then, like I said, I'm going to put the microwave also on top of the wall. But I'm going to have to make this wall also a little bit longer now. So I'm going to put this in a piece of cardboard here. And then, so with all that, I'm obviously going to damage the wallpaper here. And I don't have enough wallpaper to cover this little piece I'm going to put up there. But I also got this, I don't know why on the camera you can't see, but it's actually a green, also a nice green. So I'm going to use this wallpaper then for the kitchen, and if need to be, I'm going to use this as a border around if I need the border. So yeah, if I move this up again, there's going to be more space here by the stove for Barbie. So as you can see, it's actually too low, this. So I like the idea of move this up, so there's going to be more space here. So that is now in the kitchen. And I wanted to change the kitchen, all the doors, and because I don't like the sticky paper, and I'm not very happy about this wood that I used around the everywhere. But this was my first project, and it was my learning stage. So yeah, if I want to change everything here, I have to take out the whole kitchen, and that's going to be too much work. So I'm going to make it as best as possible. I actually want to change this to more lighter so that it can be brighter and lighter. But I think if I move the stuff up and all that stuff, it will be lighter and brighter here. So in the bathroom then again, I was thinking of moving like this. I'm going to take off this roof here now. I put on the shower. So I'm going to put a shower head against the ceiling board then. And then here for this piece here around, I'm going to put also the plastic here. So it's going to be still like a whole glass shower. I still got of this left of this tiles. So I can use this in the bathroom maybe if I need, because I don't have any more of this paper left. And then luckily I've got some more of this paper here, although this is up against the roof here. I'm just going to have to take the masking tape off. And then on this side where I'm going to have to make this wall a little bit taller, I still got from that paper left, so I can just fix that. And also just maybe put on a seam a little bamboo stick, and even here just to fit in by the living room, because this was now actually an open space here. So that is what I'm going to do now. So yeah, maybe I'm gonna do it room for room. So I'm gonna fix the living room area, so the roof area, and then fix the living and dining room as well, and then go to the next to the kitchen and the bathroom and so on. So yeah, let's get started. here I was thinking I'm finished with the walls, but yeah, I'm back at the walls again, just only this time on the inside. But I'm actually very glad of the way it came out. So I think that is not enough for this episode. So in the next episode, I will show you all the changes I made in the dining room. So that's for the next one. So keep on watching and bye.